tree. Now, baby, when you walk, shake like a willow tree. I bet a girl like you sure make a fool out of me. You want to sing another one?
Yeah, what we got here? How about Route 66? So there's a shuffle and A. You guys know Route 66?
Okay.
D-Hop. Yes. Down to yeah. If you got a plane over the way, take it my way to the highway. This stuff. Down to St. Louis, Shoplet, Missouri, Oklahoma City, shore, get down to Kansas. Hey. You want to start on the 1? We want to start on the 5? What do you want to start on?
It's your call.
Start on the 1. If you got appropriate. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2,000 miles all the way. Take on from Chicago to LA. Get your kicks on Route 66. Here we go, watch out. Well, down to St. Louis, Joplin, Missouri, Oklahoma City, really loves to get down. Y'all live in Mexico, Western Arizona, don't forget Wyoming, Houston, Roscoe, San Bernardino, you get a hit to my trip. Take it my way to the highway, that's the trip. Get your kicks on Route 66. Get tired!
Missouri.
Oklahoma City, Reedville, head down to Emeigh. Now then, Mexico, Buxton, Arizona, don't forget Wyoming, Kingston, Bosco, San Bernardino, you get it to my kind of trip. Make it my way to the highway, that's the trip. Get your kiss on Route 66. Two more times ahead. Get your kiss on Route 66. That's right. Get your kiss on 66. All right. Route 66. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Are the Bruins winning? Ah. Let's do a slow one in D. Slow one in D. D as a dog. Lord, I believe I be a millionaire. For money, Lord, I believe I'd be a millionaire. Dollar bills, I bought the whole world and had to change the spell. I said, what? I got the words all on my mind. I got the words all on my mind. I know time's a tight little girl. I won't ever tell you no lie.
know there's gonna be days like this. My mama said, son, don't you know there's gonna be days like this? Quit your whining and get on with it.
That's 3. Oh, feels like 4. You want to sing that one?
You know, messing with the kid? Twice in the beginning. Key of A.
Okay.
And then begin by D. A little funky bit. Little junior world. So do that lick at the beginning twice. What's this idea? People talk around town. Say what you do. Just put the boy down. Oh yeah, you did it. Don't tell me what you did. Call what you want. I call it messing with their kids. That's fine. I'll give you the cues. We'll try to do our best. Just to get stuff right.
Hey, there's no death penalty.
All right, let's see. In A, twice. Talk around the town, say what you do, don't put the boy down. Oh yeah, why won't you tell me what you did? Oh no, well you can call what you want, I'll call it messing with you. Well you drive your car all around the town, say what you do, don't put the boy down. Oh yeah. Don't you tell me what you did, no! Well, you can call what you want. I'll call it messing with the kid. Get die. Oh yeah. Don't you tell me what you did. No, 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 no. Well, you can call it what you want. I'll call it messing with the kid. Don't you tell me no lie. Don't you tell me you love me till the day I die. Oh yeah. Don't you tell me what you did. No, 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 no. Well, you can call it what you want. I'll call this and this again. One more. Hey! Thank you very much.